A hearty welcome to Music Teacher LA's Winter Recital 2023. It's a pleasure to see so many bright faces, and I'm delighted to have students, parents, grandparents, and friends gathered here for a special morning of musical celebration. As the lights fill up this room, it's a symbolic of the illumination that the music brings into our lives. Today's recital is not just about the music we'll hear. It's about hard work, bravery, and dedication of the young performers who have experienced that in their lives. Parents and grandparents, thank you for your support. Your encouragement and enthusiasm were crucial in shaping the confident and dedicated students that we are having before us. If you're happy with our lessons and services, please don't forget to give us 5 stars on Facebook and Google. Share the happiness, share the music, recommend Music Teacher LA, and our amazing students, each one of them, from the first timer to the multiple time performers. You face challenges of overcoming stage fright and shyness. The benefits of the dedication and hard work of our students go beyond the music we'll hear today. It's the lessons of perseverance, the development of self-esteem, and the satisfaction that comes from expressing oneself and succeeding. So let's celebrate our students and their hard work and their talents today. And without further ado, I am announcing the Winter Recital 2022 opening. Let's make it memorable and enjoy this recital.